Hey guys, Mike here again. Hey, just want to continue on with my my usual winter maintenance that I do on the bike. This particular bike's a 2003 GL 1800. It's got about 62,000 miles on it. Picked it up new to me back in 2001, something like that. Had 19,000 miles on it at the time, so definitely not hard ridden, but not a garage queen either, by any stretch. So anyway, just got through doing brake flush and clutch flush on it a few minutes ago. Wanted to do a little something else right quick too. Something I try to do every winter also is the brake pins and clutch pins over here on this side as well. They're the same. But what I like to do is just go ahead and bust those out, clean them off a little bit, and re-grease them. I don't know that there's a specific kind of grease that you're supposed to use with them, but I just use regular axle grease on it. And I guess it's okay. It never has caused a problem. So anyway, okay. So regular screwdriver here on the top part. On the bottom of it, there's like a castle nut type thing. If I can just get the camera over here, trying to do everything backwards here. Right there. It's a 10 mil. So put your 10 mil wrench on there, loosen that, and then take this out, pull the pin straight up, wipe it off, grease it off, wipe it off good, and then grease it up good. Slip it back in and tighten everything back up again. You're good to go. So let me secure the GoPro, and then I'll go ahead and show you what I'm doing or how to do it, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so hold on a second.